This machine can be applied for heat transfer to all kinds of materials, or panels of all types, ceiling, ceramic tile, suitable for large format transfers. Control panel, intelligent instrument, temperature, time digital intuitive display. With smooth atomic steel, easy to push the bottom plate, durable. The machine adopts an all-pressure system with low functional noise, high pressure, convenient energy saving, and a pressure of up to 30 kilograms per square centimeter. Screw pressure regulation can precisely adjust the required pressure. This machine is equipped with safety protection devices to prevent pressure injuries, making it very safe and mechanistic. The unique pull-out bottom base allows for easier placement of garment. Turn on machine. Set temperature and time. Automatic and manual function switching. Manual mode. Auto mode.